Hi guys, it's me again, Dr. Vince Hassel with Hassel Family Chiropractic. I've had the opportunity and the privilege to take care of over 10,000 people in the surrounding Des Moines area since 1997. Everybody from infants and school children to Olympic gold medalist Shawn Johnson in gymnastics, bronze medalist Doug Sharp from the four-man bobsled, NFL running back Liddell Betts, professional triathlete TJ Tollekson, businessmen and businesswomen, grandmas and grandpas, and everybody in between. Another one of the questions that I get all the time from people that are just beginning chiropractic care or thinking about starting chiropractic care is, what makes the sound during an adjustment? Here's the deal. There's lubricating fluids in each joint capsule that separate bones of each spinal joint. Adjustments produce a sound when the gas and fluids in the joint shift and escape the membrane of the joint capsule. It's much like blowing a bubble with gum, and when you pop it, it makes a sound. That's the air escaping from a high-pressure environment to a low-pressure environment. The sound's interesting, but it doesn't grade or guide the quality of an adjustment or the value of an adjustment. It just depends on the gas that's trapped in that joint capsule at that time. Hey, if you like this video and it helped answer some questions for you, I got more answers. Check out the videos on hasselchiro.com/free. There's over 22 videos there. We'll tell you everything you need to know to avoid the wrong approach before going about taking care of your back pain, tell you the right approach about improving your health. Check them out. I'm Dr. Vince Hassel. I'll talk to you again.